Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use an auto captions in CapCut to add a subtitles to your videos in just few taps. Let's get started. First, open a CapCut app and create or open a video project. Then, once your clip is into the timeline, scroll through the bottom menu and tap on text. Now select Auto Captions. Choose your audio source like original sound, voiceover, or both. Then, pick the correct language for your video and then tap Start. The CapCut will automatically generate a captions or subtitle based on your audio. And once it's done, you can tap any caption to edit the text or customize it, the style, the font, and the color of your captions. And that's it. You have now a subtitles or captions on your video with just a few taps using an auto caption in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.